So, how do I feel more confident even as an introvert? Well, the answer is hey there, you. Yes, you. If you are calling yourself an introvert or defining yourself as an introvert, you need to listen to this video. Now, let's get real. Have you ever heard another human being compliment someone else by calling them an introvert? No, absolutely not. Usually calling someone an introvert or referring to yourself as an introvert is something that is said apologetically or something that implies some kind of limitation. Well, that stops today. Because think about it, you may not be the person who walks into the room and has to be the immediate center of attention. In fact, I would suspect that it's more like this, that when you walk in, you're the one who's going to be observing. You're the one who's paying attention to the details. You're the one who's soaking it in. You're the one who's really kind of thinking about things, processing things deeply, weighing things, finding the facts, and coming to these amazing conclusions. So when you do have something to say, people better frickin' listen, right? So you don't have to be the loudest, the boldest, the most gregarious person in the room, and you don't have to be what might be called an extrovert in order to be frickin' amazing. So stop calling yourself an introvert if that makes you feel small. You're observant. You're intelligent. You're all kinds of any kind of words that, fiercely focused, whatever that is that makes you feel that most epic version of you. So go out there, be freaking amazing, be you. Don't feel like you have to be something that you don't feel like being. You're still awesome. You've got an incredible life story behind you. So go out there, unleash the most epic version of yourself, and stop calling yourself an introvert if it makes you feel small. So there we have it. Let's go out and let's rock and positively impact the world and have a whole lot of frickin' fun while we're at it. I'm Meridith Alexander, and I will see you soon.